Are you looking for the best security door bar? In this video we will look at some of the best security door bar. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Master Lock Door Security Bar. Master Lock's 265 EC Door Security Bar offers a solid and dependable way to boost your home's safety. Its adjustable design works seamlessly with both hinged and sliding doors, highlighting its wide functionality. The easy tool-free setup makes it a great fit for anyone, even those without mechanical skills. This simple yet effective bar ensures quick installation, providing instant security when needed. For front doors, patio doors, and beyond, this security bar provides peace of mind. Constructed with strong 20-gauge steel, it's designed to resist forced entry. Its adjustable length, from 27.5 to 42 inches, accommodates a wide variety of doors. The polished white finish ensures it blends in with your home decor without compromising on safety. The security bar offers dependable performance in boosting home security, making it a choice for safety-conscious homeowners. Its pivoting ball joint design allows for full contact with the floor, ensuring a secure fit and enhanced stability. This feature plays a key role in preventing the bar from slipping during a forced entry attempt, thereby strengthening your home's protection. It's a straightforward and effective solution for those looking to improve their home's security without the need for complex installations. Adjustable length, 27.5 in to 42 in. Number 2. SECURITYMAN 2-in-1 Door Security Bar. The 2-in-1 door security bar from SECURITYMAN brings enhanced safety to hinged and sliding doors with its dual functionality. Featuring easily interchangeable caps, this security bar can adapt quickly to different door types, ensuring seamless protection. Its versatile design makes it a practical solution for safeguarding various living spaces. With a focus on strength and protection, this iron security bar stands strong under up to 400 pounds of pressure. Its reliable design ensures that it stays firmly in place, preventing unwanted entry. The bar adjusts from 18.25 inches to 47.50 inches, fitting a variety of door sizes. An angled rubber bottom, gentle on surfaces, enhances stability while preventing damage to floors or doors. This door bar offers easy installation and removal, making it ideal for both home and travel. Its adjustable design reflects the idea that safeguarding your space should be simple and effective. Perfect for securing a patio door or a front entrance, this bar delivers reliable protection with a clever design. Adjustable length, 18.25 in to 47.50 in. Material, high-grade iron. Mounting type, door mount, under door mount. Finish type, rubber. Number 3. BRINKS Portable Door Security Bar. The BRINKS Security Bar offers a robust solution for enhancing the security of both hinged and sliding doors. It is a versatile tool, designed for those who need a portable security option that can be used at home or while traveling. The straightforward design ensures that the bar can be set up quickly and easily without any tools, making it ideal for on-the-go security needs. When durability and strength are the priority, this security bar, crafted from alloy steel, stands out. It adjusts from 25 inches to 43 inches, accommodating different door sizes. With a pivoting padded foot, it ensures a secure hold on various floor types without causing damage, perfect for tile, wood, and carpeted floors. The oil-rubbed finish adds aesthetic appeal and durability. When it comes to general security, this bar excels in resisting forced entries. Its adjustable height and easy installation make it a popular choice among users who value flexibility and effectiveness in their security measures. Whether you're securing a dorm room or an apartment or need additional protection while traveling, this door bar provides reliable defense. Adjustable length, 25 in to 43 in. Material, alloy steel. Number 4. SABRE Adjustable 2-in-1 Door Security Bar. The adjustable 2-in-1 door bar, crafted by SABRE, offers exceptional security design for both hinged and sliding doors. This versatile security device is a practical choice for various entry points around your home. It focuses on user-friendliness and fast installation, crucial for those needing immediate security without complex setup procedures. This heavy-duty steel security bar is designed to provide substantial resistance to force, improving your home's defense against potential break-ins. It features an adjustable length from 28.5 to 45 inches, fitting most standard doors snugly. The removable top door knob jamb makes it adaptable for use with sliding doors, while the plastic material offers a balance of durability and lightness for easy handling and storage. With its sturdy build and simple adjustability, the bar provides reliable protection. The pivoting ball joint maintains consistent floor contact for a secure fit, while the padded foot prevents any damage or scratches to your flooring. These practical features make the bar a dependable security measure that can be quickly set up wherever needed, ensuring safety for both homeowners and renters. Adjustable length, 28.5 in to 45 in. Material, plastic, heavy-duty steel. Mounting type, door mount. Product dimensions, 2.5L x 2.3W x 28TH. Finish type, polished. Number 5. South Main 810185 Adjustable Door Brace Security Bar. The adjustable and steel-constructed South Main Security Bar offers an easy-to-use solution for enhancing home security. It prevents forced entry through both hinged and sliding doors, ensuring a solid barrier against intruders. The installation is simple, and its design includes a removable head for greater flexibility with door types. It is adjustable from 29 inches to 45 inches and is constructed of sturdy steel to accommodate a range of door sizes. Its rotating foot, with a rubber sole, offers excellent grip to prevent sliding during a break-in attempt. The sleek white finish not only looks clean but also integrates effortlessly into your decor. Offering exceptional strength and ease of use, this security bar is ideal for enhanced security. Its tool-free installation makes it accessible for immediate use in any environment. Whether for an apartment, home, or dorm room, this door brace combines solid construction with straightforward functionality for reliable safety. Adjustable length, 29 in to 45 in. Material, steel. Mounting type, door mount. Number of pieces, 1. Features, rotating rubberized foot, removable head.